morning, teacher.
Who can still remember our lesson yesterday? We have an activity for me, direction for me according the meaning. Who wants to come here in front to form these words? Anyone? The meaning is words that refer to people, place, things, animals, or ideas. Please, stand. You come here in front to right here. Very good. Let us give Kirsan 2 million clap.
1 million, 2 million, congratulations.
So our lesson yesterday is all about noun. What is noun? Sweet?
Noun refers to people, places, things, animals, or ideas.
We have an activity. Please open your Google search kahoot.com. Do you have a data in your phone?
Yes, teacher.
Tay, naka-assign na ka? Mag-live ka?
Oh, day mo enter mo sa kuan na siya team.
Oh, ako gani magkuhan.
Get ready to join. Kahoot.com. I-search lang, then you play.
Kuhan sa ang pin. Turo, pin.
Muna siya team. 42441.
Hindi na ako ma-join. Join, sa babaw. Hindi po signal. Babaw, join.
Wait lang, ma'am. Tignan lang, ma'am. Baka, ma'am.
Are you done?
Not yet, teacher.
Teacher, hinagay mo na Four, two, four,
Kinsay Dodong?
four,
Kinsay
one,
Dodong?
seven.
Ikaw?
Teacher.
Hindi ka iro. Pero sa ko balik.
Sige. Thank you very much.
I'm here. Three sisters.
Who is Dodong?
Was me.
It's you? You put nickname on your...
Yeah, of course. You have to.
Si Victor. The virus.
Medyo nickname, Peggy. Alaw niya.
Who's Junjun?
Junsun yung asawa ni Lita.
Junjun. Kinsa si Junjun?
Sorry sa paglulat, teacher.
Yes.
Pwede mailisan ng kuan.
Ayun na, mag-start na. Okay, let's start.
Wait lang, ma'am. Ulit bakit?
Yung ka-join.
Done, teacher.
Ako, di ko ka-join.
Okay, let's start
Okay na.
now.
Sige, teacher.
Sige, teacher. Duludinging.
What is this?
At true ang buwan.
Eagle is a proper noun.
Uy, pinduta imo ha.
Oh, mali si Signa.
We're going to talk.
Yes, I got it.
Yes! Yes!
Your score.
Ako upat ra ba ka?
Ano po? Paunanay na, teacher?
Yes.
Upat ra ba na?
False.
True oy.
What's that?
False.
Yes!
Ulang hindi ko nakasulod. True.
False. Sunflower is a proper noun.
Yes!
It's me, Inday.
Ala, nawala na ako.
Laptop is a proper noun.
Yes! Nawala na doon ko.
Courage is a common noun.
Yes! Yes!
still on the top.
What's a ship? Spaceship? Ouch. Proper.
Ano?
Yes! Ay.
Claro, Norway. Yes, claro ba?
Balls. Better shut your mouth.
Ano wala ka next?
Yes! Yes! Yeah, those rats. What happened to me?
Recent.
Yes! Perfect.
Pilang score. Yeah, I got Jesus.
Highest answer straight. I have a score, teacher.
Patay ko rin.
Napay last. Saan lagi ko?
You have a weak now.
Correct ako.
Proper noun.
Ano?
Nakorek pa ko.
You are other. Junjun.
The first is
Victor.
Sweet! Mga OA.
May line.
activity.
Points wrong nagko.
Nausa naman po niyo. It was quick.
Cutie man kayo. Dalahan lagi ko.
Bilisan na ko kung paano confess. Thank you.
We have another activity.
Accident dyan.
Let's have another activity.
Who's life?
Safe pa din.
Lahi na sa tayo. Election loss.
You choose proper noun or common noun.
Hindi nga ako ano yan. Asan mo siya dapit? Yan na ako i-apps. Join sa babaw eh.
Isa, ha? O isa... Wow. Hala. Ay,
Oh, di ba na ko may nagpasipayir. Chay. Wala na lipay sa dira. Hindi ka relate.
Are you done?
yes, teacher.
Kinsa na si Tuchay, ganan lagi ko.
Kaya po, okay.
Ako ah.
Sa na lang ako.
Mrs. Lopez.
Saan na siya?
Proper noun, common noun.
Isa dira na. Pagluka na dahil madilig ka ron. Yes.
Proper noun
Who's ulo? Ay, nasa niya.
Wala na si Miss. That's me, I'm here.
Save the child from joining. Child is proper noun.
Mazero naman ko ni teacher.
Common noun, child.
The child is
Yes!
calling now.
Scoreboard.
Bakit?
Yes again.
Wala rin ako ngalan.
Ulay man ko.
Ano mo ba niyo? Check mo na po. Wala pa.
Sarah.
Yes!
Proper noun.
Yes!
Automatic na.
Where is mine? Wala rin ako. It's not existing.
Mas hindi.
Check mo. Wala rin ako ngalan.
Part.
Hala, mali ako natublok. Kira na.
May mausan magmali nila ron.
Na, oy, wala naman ko naka-play, oy.
Pwede nila ma-change?
Yes!
Luwatan na.
Where is mine? Oh, yes!
Is on the top.
Hello, where is mine?
Wala na ako ngalan.
Check mo po.
Basta na tama
Laura
doon.
daw ang nag-record.
Wala ka pero mag-talk lang.
Why?
pauna na hindi.
Sorry. Saan ka po ready?
Car.
Hala!
Car.
Ma, wala tuyo, ma'am.
Oh, na!
Ma?
Sunday.
Ay, napipigil ako.
Yes!
Proper noun, Sunday.
Na.
Letap, presenta balanay.
Yes!
Wrong, common noun.
Oh my God.
Where is my name?
Name is out of nowhere.
Wala siya nakuha na lang.
Lapitan City.
Yes!
Proper noun.
Ochay. Why
Hala, where is mine?
Teacher.
Yes! Where is mine? I can see my name. Hala?
Movie.
No.
Ala?
Who's me? Inday. Blawe. Si Wena siya. Ble man na
So based on our activity, what will be our lesson today? Our lesson today is all about two types of noun, which is common noun and proper noun.
Na-enjoy niya.
Upat ra ba ka?
Common noun is a person that refers to a general, non-specific person, place, things, or ideas, not capitalized unless they occur at the beginning of a sentence. Example, please read.
The cat is running. Vegetables is my favorite food.
In first example, where is the common noun there?
Ha.
The next sentence.
Vegetables.
Yes. Please read what is the proper noun.
Proper noun is a type of noun that refers to a specific individual, person, place, organization, or thing that is always capitalized because of its name.
Example.
I like to drink Sprite. Apple is my favorite fruit.
In first example, where is the proper noun?
Sprite teacher.
The next example.
Apple teacher.
So I have a video here about the proper noun and common noun so that you can understand.
Nouns, common and proper.
Proper.
A noun refers to anything that is living or non-living and concrete or abstract. A common noun is the general word used to name a class of people, things, animals, and places. For example, man, camel, river, flower, beach, etc. A proper noun means a specific person, animal, place, or thing. Every word in a proper noun always starts with a capital letter. For example, Sania Mirza, Duffy, Marina Beach, Honda City, etc.
Okay, class, what is a proper noun? Please, Christine.
Proper noun is a type of noun that refers to a specific individual, person, place, organization, or thing that is always capitalized because it is a name.
You can give me a proper noun.
Christine.
Christine. Please use proper noun in the sentence. Please read.
Christine sleeps at night and she flies at daylight.
Very good. What is a common noun? Please, Cherry.
Common noun, a person that refers to a general, non-specific person, place, things, or idea, not capitalized unless they appear at the beginning of a sentence.
Morning, teacher.
Maria, can you give me a common noun and use it in the sentence?
Mga common na.
Bike. Bike. Oh,
Corner lang.
pencil.
Things or
Person.
person.
For example,
Ballpen. Use it in the sentence.
Ano pa rin yung Wi-Fi?
I use
Open
ballpen
Wi-Fi.
every day.
Very good. Let us give Maria 5 million plus.
1 million, 2 million, 3 million, 4 million, 5 million. Congratulations.
I will group you into two groups. Please count 1, 2, 1,
One.
2,
One.
2.
Two.
1.
Two.
Group 1 here and the group 2.
Yeah.
1.
I just
Ay, 1.
and the
Ang buang lagi ko.
2,
Group
1, Group 2.
Every scene, there will be sitting here.
Open your messenger and open the files. For the group 2, your activity is picture prompts. You make a sentence that there is a picture there, and you make a sentence. And the group 2, sentence completion. Sentence completion.
Saan na siya, Madi?
I-edit lang.
Ay, edit ang busy. Cellphone man eh.
Write one sentence about each picture using at least one.
Did you open the files, class?
Yes. Where can we put our answers?
Dito lagi. Pasa sa iya.
Lunita Park. Lunita Park.
Are you done, class?
Not yet, teacher.
We're done, teacher.
Please come here in front to present your work.
Good morning, everyone. Is it clear? No, teacher. No? Is it clear? Yeah, it's very clear. So this is our work, and I am the group 2. So Hilux is the word. The Hilux is fast. Second, toothpaste. We use toothpaste to brush our teeth. Next, Charlie. Charlie is so cute, like Barrel. Next, Boracay. Boracay Beach is beautiful. And the last, Apple. Apple is sweet and red. That is all. Thank you.
Let's give the group 2 barangay clap.
Good morning, class. You like a teacher? The first one is, I saw a boy. This is common noun, playing in the Luneta Park, and this is proper noun. Number 2, my favorite color. Color is common noun. Is red. Red is proper noun. Third is the park. Number 4, I want to buy a new car from Honda. Honda City.
Car is a common noun, so there is a proper noun. Hilux.
From Honda brand.
From Honda brand. From is place. We went to Boracay. We went to school to see
Mount Apo.
the Mount Apo in the school. So that's all. Thank you.
Very good. Let's give a barangay clap to the group 1. So let us first proceed to the evaluation. I will send
Mount
it to
lang
you
po eh.
from the Google,
Unta.
and you will open it. You open in the Google. Google Classroom.
Okay,
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Are you done, class?
Yes, teacher.
Get out. Please read our assignment.
Make a mini blog using proper and common noun with your family. Pass on here.
What will you do?
We're going to make a mini blog
Using
proper and common nouns
with our family. And we pass
it through Google Classroom.
Okay. Goodbye, class.
Goodbye, teacher.